Hi everyone, I'm Vera from nowCREM, and today I want to show you how easy it is to import your contacts and organizations into nowCRM. Let's get started. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see the menu bar. Click on the Import drop-down at the top right of your screen. Here you'll see two options, Import Contacts or Import Organizations. Make sure your contact or organization data is saved in a CSV or Excel file. To make things easier, you can download the sample CSV provided by nowCRM to see example data and the required format. Let's import contact as an example. Drag and drop your prepared CSV file into the uploaded area, or click to browse and select your file. We will download example CSV and upload it. Once uploaded, you'll see a mapping table displaying your CSV columns headers and the template fields from nowCRM. You'll need to match each column for your file to the corresponding nowCRM template field. You can also disable any field you don't need, like this. And then configure. After mapping your columns, scroll down to see the import options. The first one is the target list. You can create a new list or select the existing one. You can also choose additional options like enabling email subscription or deduplicate by required fields. If you enable the deduplication, rows with the same values in required fields will be removed automatically. Next, you'll see the available columns section. These are the columns you selected and mapped in the previous tabs. Then there are the required columns sections, which are needed for validation. A row will only be imported if it has a value in at least one of these columns. For example, I'll choose the email one. Finally, you can preview your data. This gives you a quick look at how your imported data will appear. And that's all. You can cancel your import or proceed to import your CSV file. We will import one. So the same logic applies when importing organizations. Thank you for watching.